Today we have a 1998 Hardinge Conquest T-51. Machine has a FANUC 18T control. It's got a tailstock and a chip conveyor. It's 20C collet capacity. The 12-position turret. Spindle's currently running at 500 RPM. That's 1,000. $1,500. That's 2,000. All right. Now we'll index the turret. Yes? No? Yes. Machine will come with all the tool holders currently mounted to the turret. X and Z sound good. Tailstock. Okay, again, this machine will come with the tailstock and the chip conveyor. It can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching our video.